day my laziness sparked innovation, a guide to Bluetooth plugs. Let me tell you a story. It all began with a pizza craving of epic proportions. Now, I'm not one to shy away from a challenge, but on that particular Tuesday, even the 20-foot trek to the living room felt like an insurmountable Everest. My phone, however, was within arm's reach, a beacon of hope on my nightstand. That's when inspiration struck. What if I could use my phone to control something, anything, from the comfort of my bed? Enter the glorious world of Bluetooth plugs. These nifty little devices are like tiny bridges between your phone and your appliances, and the best part, they don't need Wi-Fi or a data connection. Perfect for my current predicament and for anyone else who appreciates a little technological laziness. Here's how this magic trick works. Page 1, Pairing Up, the Bluetooth Tango. Acquire your smart plug. This is your gateway to wireless control. Look for one that specifically mentions Bluetooth compatibility. Power Up, plug that little guy into a wall socket. A surge protector is a good idea for extra safety. Phone time, grab your trusty smartphone and head into the land of settings. Find the Bluetooth menu and make sure it's switched on. The search begins. With Bluetooth active, your phone will scan for nearby devices. Look for something like Smart Plug or the brand name. Matchmaker. Once you find it, tap on the device name to initiate pairing. Some apps might require a code. This information should be in the plug's manual or on a sticker on the device itself. Page 2, Appy Days, downloading the command center. App Store adventure. Most Bluetooth plugs come with a dedicated app. Head to your App Store, Google Play for Android or App Store for iPhone, and download the one corresponding to your plug brand. Permissions Party. The app might request access to your phone's Bluetooth. Grant it. This is how they'll talk to each other. Accountability time. Some apps require you to create an account. This is usually a quick process. Name, email, password, the usual suspects. Page 3. Plugged in. The power is literally in your hands. Welcome wagon. Once logged in, the app should recognize your newly paired Bluetooth plug. You might need to give it a friendly name, living room lamp. Pizza warmer. For easier identification. The big switch. Now comes the fun part. The app should have a virtual on-off switch for your plug. Tap it, and witness the magic of wireless control. Your lamp or whatever you plugged in should spring to life. Page 4. Beyond the basics. Exploring the app's features. This section can be customized depending on the specific features of your Bluetooth plug app. Many apps offer more than just a simple on-off function. Here are some additional features to explore. Scheduling. Set a time for your lights to turn on/off automatically, perfect for a faux-occupied house when you're out. Dimming. Feeling fancy. Some apps allow you to adjust the brightness of your connected lamps. Grouping. Control multiple plugs at once. Turn on all the living room lights with a single tap. Voice control integration optional. For the truly voice-activated experience, if your app integrates with a smart speaker, like Google Home or Amazon Echo, you can enable voice control. Just say, "Hey Google, turn on the living room lamp," and voila! And there you have it. With a Bluetooth plug and a little technological know-how, you can control your appliances from the comfort of your couch, bed, or even outside the house depending on the Bluetooth range. My pizza craving that day was successfully satiated thanks to a delivery guy. Not my newfound powers, but this newfound knowledge has opened doors, or rather, light switches, to a world of convenient laziness. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a strategic phone placement plan for the next time a movie marathon calls and the remote seems miles away.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like this stuff, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And thank you.